Hello everyone. So as you can see, today is Green Day. Trust me, it is very vital to nourish your system, load up with all the good chlorophyll we need for utmost health. Chlorophyll in green leafy vegetables help to boost our health, boost our immune system, boost energy levels, fight diseases for us. This is very alkalizing, plus it helps to boost collagen for that youthful agelessness to the skin from the inside, because all the nutrients in here are what you need, most especially as you age, that you shed skin, you no longer make collagen, or you lose a lot of nutrients you need to replace with a very rich smoothie like this to maintain that beautiful healthy skin, plus a healthy life free of sicknesses. Like this is so nourishing. I can't reiterate the benefits enough. Very yummy as well, and perfect idea for breakfast. Like, have this early morning as your breakfast on an empty stomach to live in all those nutrients for utmost health with beautiful skin as well. Voila, for this very nourishing nutrient dense green smoothie, I'll be using two different green leafy vegetables. The first choice will be kale. If you can't lay your hands on kale, you can just go for spinach or add in any other green leafy vegetable, because what we are looking for is the chlorophyll from these greens. All those nutrients in greens, that is what we are looking for. And you can find a lot of them in kale, plus a lot of calcium. It helps to boost your iron levels, improve your blood. So if you are anemic, this smoothie will help improve your blood quality, increase your blood level. Very good, and will clean you up so good. So I wash it thoroughly with water and vinegar. You never want to just get your greens and eat without cleaning. Trust me, insects and bacteria can easily hide. Even if they are organic, you want to wash them with water and vinegar, and voila, this is my clean kale. I'll be using, as I promised, two different greens, and this is spinach. I love me some spinach because it has a lot of nutrients as well. Kale has its own unique nutrients, like it helps a lot with iron and calcium. This spinach helps to boost collagen. It has all the good chlorophyll we need, plus a lot of vitamin E. Like, they are so nourishing. So I will wash my handful of spinach just as I did with the kale, water and vinegar, so I don't put in germs in my system. So this is my handful of kale and handful of spinach. Now to my fruits I'll be adding in here. I'll be adding some mango. I'll be adding one mango in here. Mangoes are loaded with a little bit of vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, plus so many other vitamins and minerals you need to nourish your system, boost that collagen production. Because trust me, it's either I'm nourishing my system to fight aging, nourishing my system to burn fat, nourishing my system to fight disease. And mangoes contain a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals, most especially the A, B, and C. I need a lot to maintain that youthful plumpness to my skin. Plus, it is so yummy. It makes this smoothie very yummy. So you want to get your one mango, peel and slice up into some good sizes that can fit into your blender, depending on the size of your blender. But if your blender is too small, you want to slice up in tiny little sizes like you see me doing, so you have enough room. So this is so yummy, plus so refreshing, will bring in taste and flavor. You know, greens can be very difficult to eat them without, like, having something to tone down the tastelessness of them, and mangoes will bring in a lot of taste and flavor, plus the loaded nutrients it will add in this. So this is my one mango set aside, and I'll be adding one lemon. Lemons are very good. Lemons help you break sugars in your system, and I'm adding a little bit of mango in here, and I want some lemon to help me break down any little sugar from there. Even though I hear people say they don't eat sweet fruits because of sugar, if you have low sugar in your system, that is a problem as well. If you have high sugar, it is problem. Low sugar, it is problem. Unless you are diabetic and your doctor has to tell you what to take. But never deprive yourself of sweet fruits, because you need sugar as well. If you have low sugar, that is problem. High sugar, that is problem. But if you know the right kind of sugars to eat from healthy fruits like mangoes, bananas, not the kind of refined sugar, the white sugar, not that kind of sugar you can get healthy sugar from. So that is why you see me, I use my bananas, mangoes, pineapples, because they contain the good sugars you need. You need sugar. Low sugar is problem, high sugar is problem. So this is my one lemon, sorry, rather, to help me break down sugars and fats in my system so I can easily digest them so fast. And I'll be adding one banana in here for potassium, and equally to bring that ice creamy flavor to my smoothie. You feel like you eat greens, and because trust me, you can't go to the supermarket and get kale and just eat just like that. But this banana and mango makes this smoothie heavenly. You will not even feel the kale or the spinach. Like if you don't like greens, and because you need it, try this smoothie and tell me you feel no least greens in your mouth. Like it would all taste like different, like ice cream. Yeah. So you want to load up your ingredients in your blender. That is my kale, my one mango, um, lemon, my banana, and I'll complete with spinach. And I'll be adding in some ice cubes just to make it chilly in the mouth, and to bring in a little bit of water in here, or you can add half a cup of water, or coconut water, any healthy water, coconut water, or you can add half a cup of water, but I just use ice and I'm fine. I don't like my smoothies watery. So I just add in a little bit of ice and I blend, and it still gives me that very smooth, beautiful. Look at the consistency. My smoothie looks so rich. Look at the consistency, so rich and yummy. Like you will love it. It tastes like ice cream plus very nourishing. Like this is your health in these glasses, nutrient dense. If you want to live healthy, live longer, fall in love with this recipe, and trust me, oh my goodness, like fall in love with my recipes because they are for one reason or the other, but everything centers around living a healthy life, staying healthy, like just make sure you treat yourself. What you put in your system matters a lot for the sake of your health. And make sure you drink water. Water is very vital as well. Water, if you have diabetes or you're preventing diabetes, drink water. It flushes away excess sugars in your system. That is the cheapest cure of diabetes, or to prevent diabetes. Just drink enough water your system can accommodate. You will prevent it and you will fight it as well. So that is the tip of today. I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends as usual, so we can all stay healthy and looking good in size without belly fat. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And our goal here is not to be skinny, as I always say, but to have that healthy body size without being obese, leading to other sicknesses and diseases like hypertension, high blood pressure, and the rest. We are here to stay healthy and in shape without being obese or being too tiny and malnourished. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.